Okay, you guys, so we have the maintenance required light flashing on a 2014 Toyota Prius V. It's flashing on the right corner there. So I'm going to show you how to reset it. First, we want to make sure our trip is on trip A, not trip B. To change to your trip, you want to go to this guy. Make sure you're on trip A, not the odometer, trip A. So the miles per hour, kilometers per hour button here, you want to turn the car off completely. You want to push and hold this while you're pushing the power button. When you're not going to start the vehicle, but you're going to turn it onto the accessory position. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and you'll see the dash is flashing just like a typical Toyota. And you see the maintenance required light flashing. Zeros, we're all set. That's how you reset the maintenance required light. Thank you.